Edo State Governor Senator Okpebholo don order all contractors wey dey handle state projects make dem follow all the correct specification and deliver better work. As in dey talk after im go check different projects wey dey go on for inside the state, the governor talk say im government dey answer to Edo people and im go make sure say dem use the money wey dem collect from Federal Account Allocation Committee well, say dem no go gree for any work wey no pure, and every contractor must do the work well and finish am on time sake of say Edo people deserve better. Oga Governor talk say dem dey inspect all these projects so that the contractors go follow correct plan and finish on time, say wetin dem dey do na transparency, accountability and make sure say work show for ground. Ekosti talk say in government dey work hand in hand with President Tinubu's renewed hope agenda and dem go focus on projects wey go help the people directly.
If you look at the other session, we have already completed that session. So now we've just also awarded the site so that this site can also be completed. We cannot afford to fail. We have already keyed into, Mr. President, the new hope agenda for the people of Edo State and the people of Nigeria. So we are here to work for Edo people. You can see now, this is the session. In the next few days now, this one will commence. Since morning we'll be going around looking at projects and just continue to look around and see everything we are doing is going perfectly. That is the way to go.
Some people wey dey stay the area throw salute to the governor for the good work wey he dey do for them area.
Working governor, 200 for you, bye-bye, 1 hand for you, every year good. Carry go, nothing do you. 4 years to come.
The governor try for us.
Okay.
For 8 years, we get governor, we say a day for 8 years. I don't even know whether anything there exists for this area. But Senator Okpebholo enter for the very day they swear, the following day, next Saturday, they do road for us. So we happy and we thank her for the good work they do for us. May God bless her and the family.
Okay. For this way, he do for us today. In fact, we appreciate him. Okay. But we have been suffering in this road for long. We thank God that he came to our rescue. Okay. So we pray that God should bless him and give him more power to do more.
Thank you very much. God will bless you. You do well for us. God will bless you.
Make una not forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know the take blame. Ekata Ojesele, TMC News.